And what is up, everyone? It's your host with the most, Orlando, and our topic for today is Canadian Banks 101. And before we start, if I could please ask everybody to please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what would you like to see on our next videos. Of course, for the YouTube algorithm. And you may be asking, what are Canadian banks? Canadian banks are financial institutions that provide banking, deposits, loans, and many financial services and solutions. And as you may also know, all banks are built different, and all banks are built different for different types of clients. These may be personal clients and also business clients. So every banks have their own pros and cons, and it's up to you on which banks would be the best fit for your current needs and the services and products that best fits for your situation. And there are tons of banks out there to choose from, so I ask you to choose wisely. And third is, opening up a bank account is very easy once you are of age, 18 plus. You're able to open up a bank account, visit a bank branch of your chosen bank. This could be, one of the major five banks. These could be um, credit unions that you could visit and ask the advisor if they can help you open up a bank. Another way is you could also go to the bank's online, authorized online and official online website to open up a bank account, and they will, on that website, there will be a step by step process for you to open up a bank account, and they may ask you to visit a branch to confirm your identity. And once you're opening up a bank account, you will be able to create either a checking or a savings bank account. And the main difference between checking and savings is that for savings, you're able to use these accounts for day-to-day services and transactions. And savings is more for, you guessed it, savings. And what are the ways that you are able to do your banking? There are many ways to access your accounts and services, and these are: first, you can go in person to a branch, talk to an advisor, set up an appointment, or you can go as first come first serve. Second is by calling their official bank number, and there you'll be able to speak with a telephone advisor, and you'll be able to guide you in taking care of whatever services, transactions you need to do. Thirdly is online and mobile banking. Banking is always innovating, innovations through technology. So now, majority of all the banks in Canada have a online and a mobile banking version where you're able to almost do everything that you can in person. You are able to do it online. And fourth is automated teller machines. These are ATM machines that are specifically either for your bank or ATM machines that are not from your banks, but you could also use this ATM machines to withdraw or deposits and so on and so forth. Lastly is debit card reader machines. When you are using your debit card to make a purchase of services and products, you will be able to use your bank card. And fifth is thinking about and knowing about your transactions and service fees. Bank accounts will have fees for all of the service that they provide. Some of these fees are monthly account fees, money transfers, transactions, and many more types of services and transactions and transfers are will be they each of these will have charges and fees that comes with them. Most of the banks will offer an all-inclusive banking plan, which will cost more per month on your end, or you may have to carry a certain amount of balance to keep in your checking account so that the services will be most likely be free. And as you may know, you cannot forget the dreaded overdraft fees or overlimit fees, which just really means that you are getting charged for not having enough money. So make sure you have enough money in your bank account at all times so that you do not get charged for non-sufficient funds when you are making purchases or if you have any pre-authorized debits and payments. And sixth is learning and knowing about your bank statements. All banks will provide you bank statements either through paper or online, PDF format, and all of these bank statements will have your information to make sure that you have the right bank statement. And these statements will show you, your day-to-day cash flow, day-to-day transactions and transfers that you've done throughout the month, and you will be able to see your start of the month to the end of the month, all of your transactions in between. And seventh is the question of, is my money safe? The short answer is yes. Up to $100,000 is insured by the Government of Canada, and all Canadian banks and financial institutions are regulated by government bodies and regulatory organizations to ensure safe and quality services is given to everyone, not only to Canadian citizens, but all people that are living in Canada and all people that are using and working with financial institutions. That is it for the video today. If you have any suggestions, comments, or any questions at all about finance, please contact me. And again, I am not your financial advisor, so this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. If you do want to work with me, please contact me down below. Have my contact information on the description of this video. Thank you so much and have a good day.